Hey, today we're going to show you a step-by-step video on how to make this Power Wheels go faster. Basically, it's slow and we're going to make it fast using this 18-volt hyper lithium ion battery from Ridgid. How we're going to do that? Purchase this adapter on Amazon for about $8. It might be a little more now. I'll show you a description up top. As well, I got a new motor and gearbox that I had to replace on mine because the gearbox was burnt out. So you might not have to replace the gearbox, but I did. But the most important is this adapter right here. You gotta wire it up to the harness of the Power Wheels, plug it into your 18-volt lithium ion, and you're ready to go. Also, if you could, like and subscribe. Let's get to it. Drive. Yeah. Come on. Leave it. Drive. Are you ready for an upgrade to go faster? Yeah?
I forgot my shoes.
Brand new 12-volt motor, 40,000 RPM. Let's get to it. Yep.
I got some chips.
All right.
You want some chips?
No.
No? If she gets hungry, I got some chips.
All right. You ready? Here it goes. Nothing. Let me see. Wait. Go ahead, Baba. Go ahead. Drive. You got to remove the 7 amp current overload switch. Connect the red wires together.
Baba, I'm sitting on it. Yes, dear.
Yeah, go. Go back. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, go frontward now. Go. Slow down. Hey. Go ahead. Stop, Papa, stop. Papa, wait for me. All right. Go ahead. All right, turn. Turn all the way around like that. Go. Keep going. 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 Okay, okay, go frontward now. Hey.